Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tamara Erskine. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to talk about what's in my spa/pamper basket. I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. I'm a mom and sometimes it is just about me. Like just me. It's not very often, but it is very important to have a self-care routine. You can't give to other people if you're not taking care of yourself. So for this, I have a spa/pamper basket of things that I go to. Sometimes I only do get a little time to myself, and when I do, I break out the goodies. And honestly, just even having it reminds me to take the time out to pamper myself. So one thing that I do have that's not in the basket, but I do keep it nearby, is my Epsom salt. I use this to relax and soak my feet. I also throw it into the tub when I'm taking a bath. So I'll just go through the basket and show you what else that I have. I have quite a few things ranging from skincare to spa products, relaxing items, and in this little cup here, you might not be able to see it, but in this cup I have little sample products that I've gotten from like Sephora using my points. So that could be moisturizers. Also have this Tarte Radiance of the Sea drops, Kiehl's Midnight Mask. I really like using this one. It's Midnight Recovery Concentrate. This one it feels really hydrating on my skin at night. And then I just have a couple polishes in here as well, because they fit nicely into that cup. Other things, I have a little, what do you call this? It's like a cube nail file that has 4 sides. I put this in here. I have some polish remover, some Vaseline. Also have some cotton pads. These are the flat ones, and they have an exfoliating side and a smooth side. A couple other things, I have my Foreo. This is one of the Foreo day cleansing yogurts. I put that in there because I tend to use a couple other washes. I don't use this one as often, but I do love how it smells, so I put this one in here. I also have this Neutrogena Deep Clean Purifying Micellar Cleansing Water. I have the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Oil. I generally use a water-based cleaner and an oil-based cleaner when I take off all of my makeup for the night. Just some toner. These 3 are things that I use very often, but they needed a home, so I put them in this basket so I can get to them fairly easily. A couple other masks. So this one is the Boscia, I don't know if I'm saying that right. This is the Boscia Saki Bright White Mask. I don't use that one as often, but it is a nice mask. And then I have the First Aid Beauty Skin Rescue Purifying Mask with Red Clay. This one is almost empty. This is my second tube of it. This stuff is amazing. So if you haven't tried that one and you're looking for a great mask to use, I'd recommend going with this one. It really pulls out all the blackheads and stuff. And this is the Olay Daily Exfoliating with Sea Salt Body Wash. I really enjoy this. I was hesitant to buy it because it didn't look like it lathered. It really comes out looking like a lotion. But I found that it is super exfoliating, it smells really good, and it does in fact lather up when you're washing up with it. So I like using this one in the shower especially. I use that pretty often. Another thing I have is this Bath & Body Works Limoncello fragrance. It's a nice spray. It smells good. I don't wear it for like day use, but it smells good on me if I'm just getting out the shower or something. So I have a few masks from Neutrogena. The reason I have so many is because they are so good. I'm gonna just take these 3 out and show you because the other ones are duplicates. So I have the Neutrogena Radiance Boost Brightening Mask. It's a hydrogel. All 3 of these are hydrogel, but this is a hydrogel mask. It has vitamin B3 in it. I use this one when my skin feels kind of dull and I want to just have that really beautiful within glow. It works right away. It literally, I'll wear this mask for about 15 to 30 minutes, take it off, rub in the serum, and it instantaneously has brightened my skin. So I recommend this one. It's good for use often if that's something that you're dealing with. Also have Hydro Boost Mask. This is a hydrating one. It has hyaluronic acid. I really like how hydrating this makes my skin feel. It feels supple. and smooth, and it feels like I have new skin again after using this one. And then the Deep Clean Purifying Hydrogel Mask. This one has seaweed extract. I've only used it once and it felt good. It's supposed to be a detoxing or a purifying mask. Obviously that's something that's harder to see right away, but you know, I still make a habit of using this one when I can. But of the three of them, I would say the Radiance Boost is my favorite. This isn't a sponsored video. I just really love these masks. So I have those in here as well. Another thing that I have in here is, this is a foot mask by Beauty Host. I keep it in here just as a kind of touch up for my baby foot mask that I did. It's supposed to be a hydrating one. I've used this once before and it doesn't do what the baby foot mask does, but it has like some sort of peeling effect. So I thought this would be really cool to just keep on hand if I need to touch up the effect on my heels so they're still nice and smooth. So I have a couple of these in here. I don't know, to be honest, that I'd buy them again, but since I have them, I keep them in this basket for occasional use. I'm trying to see if I missed anything. Oh, I have a candle. This one is by, it's a Tuscany candle by Nectar. It smells really good. It smells like orange, well, like mango and pomegranate. And it's just one of those candles that my husband grabbed from the store because he likes really fruity smelling candles in our home. But this one I try to hide because I love the smell so much that it's really enjoyable when I'm taking a bath or a shower to just kind of have lit. So I have this candle in here and it's pretty and it makes the basket look colorful, which aesthetics is everything when you have a spa basket, right? And then lastly, a couple teas. This one is Pure Chamomile Herbal Teas by Twinings of London. Just another relaxation thing. So if you're creating something like this, just to keep on hand, another couple things that you might add would be, you know, if your earbuds, if you have an extra set, a lotion, a lip scrub or balm, and maybe a sugar scrub. So realistically, I don't ever use all of these things at once. My gosh, that would be a perfect day. But I can reach for these things here and there to take a little extra care for myself. And when making this basket, I thought this would be such a great idea to just kind of show you how easy it is to put together a self-care basket. And it would be a really good idea if you had something like this in a guest room. It would make a great Mother's Day gift. Or a basket like this would be a nice little care package for a new mom or as a baby shower gift. A basket like this could really be helpful for a lot of people. So I thought I'd make a video, show you guys what I have in mind. If you have something like this, leave a comment below. I'd like to know what you're keeping in your self-care basket. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet. And I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video.